Hi guys, and welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you how to replace old toilet seat with a new one. This tutorial is easy to use, so if you never changed your toilet seat before, now it's the best time to learn how to do it. Just follow the simple steps and you will learn how to do it. So, let's get started. First we need to remove the old toilet seat by simply unscrewing the plastic nuts that are placed from the bottom side of toilet bowl. We have two plastic nuts, one nut from the one side and one from another side. Okay, let's start with unscrewing the first nut. This nut is not too much tightened, so I am easily removing it. Be careful not to get dirty over here. When you finish this step, do the same to the another nut placed to the other side of toilet bowl. Now we can easily remove the old toilet seat. Here is the new toilet seat and we are going to unpack it. Just be careful not to lose accessories that are placed with the new toilet seat. I lined up the plastic pieces just the way they should be on the toilet seat. From every part we have the same two pieces. Let's start with the left holder first. Simply follow the way that I did, and you will make it. Okay, we set up the left holder. Let's install the right holder. Do exactly the same thing just like we did on left seat holder. Cool. Let's move to the next step. Place the new toilet seat to the toilet bowl. Make sure that plastic screws got through the holes on the toilet bowl. After you do this, let's move to the final step. Now we left to tighten those plastic screws with these plastic nuts. These types of nuts are different from the old toilet seat that we removed a moment ago, but it has the same purpose and it is installed the same way as any other. Don't forget to tighten the other nut from the another side of toilet bowl. You made it! Now you learn how to change and install toilet seat. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more DIY home improvement stuff. Take care, and see you in the next video.